Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up experience entries on LinkedIn using Smart Achievements, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile page by clicking on your profile picture in the top left corner. Scroll down to the experience section of your profile. Click on the plus icon to add a new experience entry. Select your job title, ensuring it reflects your role accurately. Enter the company name in the designated field. Fill in the location where you worked, using city and state for accuracy. Set the start date of your employment using the date picker. If applicable, enter an end date for your role. If you currently hold this position, check the box for I currently work here. Now, focus on crafting your description using the SMART criteria. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Begin with a specific achievement that highlights your key contributions. Next, quantify your achievement to make it measurable. Use numbers, percentages, or other metrics to illustrate your success. Ensure your goals are achievable and within your role's scope. Relate your accomplishments to the broader goals of your team or company. Make sure your achievements are relevant to your career path. Finally, frame your achievements within a specific time frame. This could be a project duration or a particular time frame within your role. Once your description captures all these aspects, review it for clarity and impact. Make necessary edits to improve grammar and conciseness. When satisfied, click on Save to add the entry to your profile. Repeat this process for any additional roles or achievements. Regularly update your experience section to reflect new skills and accomplishments. This will keep your LinkedIn profile relevant and engaging to potential employers. By using Smart Achievements, you can effectively showcase your professional experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.